So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you want to find WLAN autoconfig. We're going to scroll down until we find WLAN autoconfig. Double click on this. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will now make the server status running, and then click on OK. Now you want to click on restart. You want to restart the WLAN autoconfig service. You can now check if you have Wi-Fi in this list. If you do, you can then enable it. For the second method, you want to go to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find network and internet. Click on run. And now this will come up, the network and internet troubleshooter. If it detects any problems with your network, it will try to fix it for you. See if that works. For the last method, you want to go to search and type in network reset. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on reset now and then click on yes. It's now going to restart your computer in 5 minutes, or you could just do it yourself right now. And this should now fix your problem.